Guys, I had to shut down early today. I am in West Memphis right now at my company's terminal, and this is why, guys. Check this out, man. This is crazy, guys. I can't. The wind is pushing the door, man. Oh man, check this out, guys. This is crazy. Whoa, whoa. This is crazy. I'm in an open lot right now, guys, and the wind is pushing right now. I hope nothing doesn't like come slamming on my truck. Oh, look at this guys, this is crazy. Oh man, whoa.